Okay, I'd like to show you this basic 24 color thread kit by Dime Designs and Machine Embroidery. This is their exquisite line of thread, and it came packaged just like this. It comes with these 24 polyester threads, and it also contains 2 spools of their metallic thread. So let's take a look at those. So this is their gold and silver metallic threads. It also comes with this really super handy embroiderer's compass. So you select the type of fabric that you're embroidering on. Let's say we're doing vinyl. And you can see I've selected vinyl up here, the fabric, vinyl. The stabilizer that we need, it says, is soft tearaway or medium weight cutaway for higher stitch counts. And then there's also comments down here at the bottom that help you. It said adhered vinyl to soft tearaway or medium cutaway with embroidery spray adhesive to minimize stretch. That's such a great tip. And also right here in the middle, it will tell you, excuse me, the size needle and type that you should use for your project. This is just a really handy tool to have. Like I said, you just turn the compass, you turn the point, you turn it to the fabric. Oh, I want to do, terry cloth is a popular one. When you embroider on terry cloth towels, say, it'll tell you I've selected my terry cloth. It tells me the type of stabilizer that they recommend I use, the needle type, and also some comments. This is just a really handy little tool. You don't ever have to wonder again exactly what stabilizer do I use if I'm doing freestanding lace. You got your answer right here. All right, so also included is this box of pre-wound steady stitch bobbins. I did use one of these in my embroidery machine and it worked just fantastically. They have different types of bobbins, of course, to fit the different needs of the machines that you have. But these are style A class 15 bobbin with clear plastic sides. So they're plastic bobbins, they're clear. And they're pre-wound with 130 yards of size 70D2 continuous filament polyester bobbin thread. It's one-time use. You just throw the bobbins away when they're empty. You don't want to rewind them. And it comes with 36 of the style A class 15. All right, also included is some medium cutaway stabilizer. This is some water-soluble topper and medium tearaway stabilizer. Now, a lot of their stabilizers come in white and black. I received the white as part of this kit. One of the really cool things about their stabilizer is the labeling that they use. Never have to wonder which stabilizer is this. It's medium weight, firm tearaway. So all of their stabilizer is labeled in this way, water-soluble topping. Medium weight, white cutaway. Like I said, a lot of the stabilizers are also available in black. So this one is medium weight, white cutaway. And I just love that it has a cardboard core, these little plastic end pieces, and each end is labeled. That's a really cool feature. So let me show you something really nice about their spools of thread. I have already opened this and I've actually used the thread, but let's take this out. Excuse me. So take this red thread that I used. This is a spool. Exquisite 100% polyester. The color is ES3015. It's a plastic spool, but one of the really cool features, and I've also seen this on the Sulky brand of embroidery thread, but on the Exquisite embroidery thread, it has this bottom piece that you just push on to open up, and that's where you put your thread. So you don't have to worry about putting a spool cap or thread nets on your thread. So you just take the end of the thread, open up the end of the spool, hold that thread in place. I hope you can see this, and then just snap it back into place, and that secures your thread. It's really, really a nice little feature about these spools. And on their website, you can find their color chart. So I went ahead and printed this out on my home printer and then laminated it so I could have it handy. It shows all their different colors of threads. And they also have thread conversion charts on their website that you can print out. So if you're using Floriani thread, you can look to see what corresponds with the Exquisite thread chart. And they have this for several different brands, Madeira, of embroidery thread. So that's what was included in this kit. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Come visit me over on the Birch Cottage blog, and I'll be glad to answer your questions, and happy embroidering.